Hello everyone, this is our new Himiway C3 electric bike from Family Series. Its fashionable design is for family activities. This is a motivation cargo e-bike. Let's unbox together and assemble. Hey, there's a black box. Oh wow, here's an official Himiway hat. Pedals. Front light. Some screws. Here's a bell. Wrench. And tools. Here's another box. And what's inside? It's a charger. And then put it down. First, we need to remove the tires from the e-bike. Then put the box down and take it out. It will be easier if you have someone to help you do this. In addition, if there is any problem with the product you receive, you need to keep the box for a period of time to solve the relevant problems. Handlebar Installation 4mm hex wrench. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on your bike stern. Step 2. Center your handlebars and rotate them to align to the marking pointed. Step 3. Tighten bolts to handlebar stem, but don't tighten completely, as you might want to further adjust the angle later to align more precisely. Test the positioning and adjust the handlebar to your preferred angle. After determining the best position, completely tighten all the bolts on the stern. Front wheel installation. Step 1. Loosen the front wheel nuts. Remove the front wheel hub axle. Step 2. Remove the plastic axle guards from the front wheel, being careful to avoid contact with the brake rotor set. Step 3. Remove the front forks protection bar by manually pulling it straight up. Pull out the black pad, which is used to protect the hydraulic brake caliper. Step 4. Align the hole in the center of the tire with the hole in the hub axle. Then, insert and secure the hub axle while ensuring that the brake pads of the front wheel are properly engaged with the brake. Step 5. Tighten the front wheel hub axle. Headlight and fender installation. Additional tools, 5mm wrench. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on the front fork bracket. Align the headlight and fender with the bolts on the front fork. Tighten them with a 5mm wrench and a hex wrench and adjust the attitude of the headlight. Step 2. Loosen the nuts on both sides of the front fork. Align the two supports of the fender with the bolts and tighten them. Step 3. Connect the headlight power cables together. Pay careful attention to the arrows on the wire connectors, making sure the arrows in line align with each other to avoid damaging the interior circuitry. Pedals installation, 15mm wrench. Make sure your pedals are installed on the correct side, as installing on the wrong side will damage the screw hole. Both pedals will be marked with R and L, corresponding to the R and L on the crank. According to the direction marked on the crank can be tightened. Start with the hand in accordance with the direction of the crank rotation into the pedal, and then use the standard 15mm wrench to tighten the pedal. Conditional can be installed before the pedal, in the pedal bolt coated with a small amount of waterproof grease spindle. Bell installation. Remove the screws from the bell, clamp it on the handlebar, and tighten it. Let's check our e-bike if everything is working. Okay, and now our Himiway C3 bike is ready. I hope you have more fun riding it. Explore outdoors. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.